just off the A40 at Greenford, West London. Handy for Heathrow with good links to rail, underground and bus services, yet with ample on-site parking, is the head office of Mills Limited, specialists in the supply of structured cabling, cable management and customised tooling for the communications industry. Here too, we find the Mills Showroom and Training Academy, featuring displays of new and popular items from all Mills product ranges. This is where regular weekly training sessions for Mills staff take place. It's also where Mills customers seeking a venue in West London can host free of charge industry network events, manufacturers' product launches, product demonstrations, training sessions, meetings and much more. The 1,000 square foot facility accommodates 30 people in comfort, seated at tables or workstations, and is kitted out with the latest AV facilities, including a 60-inch LCD TV, a projector with 90-inch screen, and 30-watt stereo sound system. The Training Academy sits at the heart of Mills' product showroom, and now we're going to explore all the areas of expertise that make up Mills' outstanding product offering. Test and measurement covers copper and fibre testing and includes equipment from VX, Greenly, Anritsu, Sumitomo, Fujikura, Fluke and Martindale, in addition to Mills' own dedicated test tools for structured cable testing and fibre networks. Up next is a dedicated range of tooling for overhead and underground telecommunications infrastructures, including some really innovative Mills' own brand products. Poolmate, a temporary workstation for engineers working on telegraph poles, and Pitmate, a time-saving temporary splicing table which clips quickly onto Mobra arms to assist engineers working on multifunctional splice joints in support of the One Fibre solution rollout. Fibre optic products form a key part of our business, encompassing both spine and FTTH applications. Our specialist tooling assists with the installation, cleaning and maintenance of fibre networks, much of it designed in conjunction with leading telecommunications utility companies. Mills is proud to be the sole UK and Ireland distributor for the prestigious range of Fremco fibre blowing machines and compressors. The equipment can be seen in action on Mills' on-site test track. Mills' own brand Masterclass tooling features over 500 dedicated tools, from spirit levels to screwdrivers, specifically designed for use in the communications industry. Many carry a lifetime guarantee. These tools can be packaged in industry-appropriate combinations and supplied as a kit in cases, tool bags or pouches. Launched in 2007, Fusion is an altogether better range of Cat5e and Cat6 structured cabling products and associated wall and freestanding data cabinets. All products carry a 25-year warranty, and Mills is the brand's main distributor. Naturally, such an extensive product offering needs an equally comprehensive range of cable containment and management products, so this is where we find trunking, conduit, sleeving and back boxes. Everything needed, in fact, to render a tidy finish for each and every situation. So there we have it, a smart, easily accessible venue in West London with all necessary facilities for meetings and presentations, set amidst an attractive and practical display of many of the products used in the communications industry. For more information or to arrange a visit, call Mills on 020 8833 2626.